The mass and radius of earth is me and re respectively, and that of moon is mm and rm respectively. The distance between center of earth and that of moon is capital D. Here earth and moon, they are separated by a distance capital D, means distance of separation between their center is capital D. Now the minimum speed required for a body of mass m, minimum speed required for body of mass m to project from a point midway between, their center to escape to infinity. So here is a line joining center of earth and that of moon, and there is some point P where a body of mass m is situated. We want to find out what is the minimum velocity with which that body is projected so that it escapes from earth's gravitational field. Now when we say that body escapes from earth's gravitational field, it means total energy of that body, it must be equal to 0. But we know total energy is sum of potential energy and that of kinetic energy. So let us first find out what is the potential energy of a body. Potential energy of a body of mass, potential energy of a body of mass small m, and it is lying midway between line joining center of earth and that of moon, means what is the distance of that point? Distance of that point from center of earth is d by 2 and from center of moon is also d by 2. So potential energy of body of mass m at a point midway between, centers of, what? Earth and moon, centers of earth and that of moon, Now potential energy, total potential energy, it is potential energy due to earth. We know what is the formula for potential energy? It is minus Gmm divided by what? R. Minus Gmm divided by R. R means it is the distance of that point, distance of that body from center of earth. If I take this as mass of earth, then distance of that point from center of earth, it is d by 2. It is equal to what? D by 2. So it is the potential energy due to earth. At the same time, potential energy due to moon, it is minus of Gm, m mass of moon, into m divided by what is the distance of that body from the center of moon? It is d by 2. So that is equal to minus 2Gm divided by capital D is taken common. So in bracket we are having mass of earth plus mass of moon, mass of earth plus mass of moon. Now let that minimum velocity with which that body is projected is v, means if v is the velocity of projection, if v is velocity of projection, means v is the velocity with which that body is projected, then what is the kinetic energy of projection? Kinetic energy of projection or kinetic energy of that body, it is equal to half m into, kinetic energy of that body is equal to what? Half m into v square. If v with which that body is projected, then kinetic energy of projection or kinetic energy of that body is equal to half mv square. Now in order to escape the body, in order to escape body to infinity, in order to escape that body to infinity, in order to escape that body to infinity, what is the condition? That total energy of body, it must be equal to 0. Total energy means sum of kinetic energy and that of potential energy, it must be equal to 0. What is kinetic energy? It is half mv square. What is potential energy? Minus of 2g into small m divided by d, in bracket mass of earth plus mass of moon, and this is equal to 0. This is equal to what? 0. Therefore half mv square is equal to, half mv square is equal to 2gm divided by d, in bracket it is the mass of earth plus mass of moon. Mass of earth plus mass of moon. Therefore, what V square equal to? V square is equal to, see here, m get cancelled. So, V square, this 2 will go to this side. So, V square equal to 4g upon d. V square equal to 4g upon d in bracket 4g upon d in bracket mass of earth plus mass of moon, or V is equal to square root of this entire thing. Square root of 4 is 2. So, V is equal to 2 under root of g by capital D in bracket, it is mass of earth plus mass of moon, mass of earth plus mass of moon. So, V is equal to 2 under root of g by d into mass of earth plus mass of moon. So, out of 4 options, look at option number D. What is that option number D? It is 2 under root of g into me plus m. So, D is the correct option for this question. What is that option D? G under root of me plus mm upon d, that is mass of earth plus mass of moon upon distance between them.